In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Wattpad Stories. Wattpad Stories is an online literature platform where users can read and write their own original stories. It includes genres such as romance, fan fiction, paranormal, science fiction, and many more. To start using Wattpad, you'll need to first create an account. You can create an account using your email, your Google account, or your Facebook account. After you created an account and you land on the home screen, you'll see a similar interface. Now on the home screen, you'll see topics or genres that you've liked. Because I've liked or selected genres such as adventure and horror, they are showing up on the home screen. You can scroll down and check out these. Here, if you scroll down more, show you topics such as editor's pick and topics that are related to your genre. You can also search for stories or genres by tapping on this search icon. After you head over to the search, you'll see all the genres that Wattpad has. You can also search for a particular stories. From this section, you can also search for people and follow them and add them as your friends. The next section is the library section where you'll see all of your current reads. So if you're reading something, you can always stop and continue reading by coming to this section. Here also you can find your archive stories and you can also create a reading list. Now if you tap on this pencil icon, here you'll have the option to create your own stories. So Wattpad is a popular platform where you can also write and create your own stories. If you tap on create a new story, from here you can add in a cover, the story title and story description. In the next page you can start typing. Type in your title story part and then start typing in your stories. After you're done, you can tap on this publish to publish it on Wattpad. Now in the next section, which is this bell icon, here you'll find the notification and the message that you receive. So you can chat with other members of Wattpad through this section. If you tap on this human icon, you can invite friends from various platforms such as Twitter, SMS, or if you tap on copy link, then you can send this link to any platform and then invite your friends from there. So that's it. That's how you can use Wattpad Stories. Now you're ready to read and start writing your own stories.